the channel The Pregnancy Coach. I'm sure during pregnancy you're looking for the safe exercise to do. Everyone's telling you work out, it's good, it's going to help you ease your labor and birth. So you're looking for that safe routine that you can safely do at home. You don't want to go for class, you probably don't have time, or there's no class in your vicinity. Hey, we're not everywhere, right? Well, so here goes. What you're going to do is get a great pair of walking shoes. Do not go for your walk in slippers or any kind of flip-flops that you can get. So get a good pair of walking shoes. Make sure you eat a small snack before you start, and also make sure that you are well hydrated. So carry that bottle of water with you. That's really, really essential, isn't it? So when we're doing that, we are now ready to go. We're going for our walk. So now when I'm at the walk, this is not a time for me to stroll and chat and finish off all my text messages and calls. The test that I have to do is I should be able to walk, but I should be able to talk, although not comfortably. It's called the walk-talk test. During pregnancy, we would recommend doing a 30-minute brisk walk every day. And if you're tired, you can take a little pause and then you can start again. I will also recommend that you don't do this after a heavy meal. So a small snack is good enough because your uterus is taking a lot of blood flow for digestion, and that is something which is important too. So mid-evening, early morning, mid-morning, if that's something that you have time for, is absolutely great. So what are we waiting for? Get those walking shoes on, grab those bottles, and let's walk. I'm sure you're liking the content and you're ready to hit subscribe because lots more tips coming your way, and I'm sure you're ready to also send lots and lots of comments my way. So what are we waiting for? Have a great day.